Hi there, I'm Mike Hayes, Dean of the AI Super Campus, and I'm a longtime business networking advisor. Folks, my wife Nancy and I, she's a longtime business partner. We love podcasting and showing people how to use ChatGPT networking to take advantage of all the offspring of ChatGPT to create courses and messages and emails or anything you really want to create. So this is all about learning how to use DIY AI to transform your networking and really open up the gateway to the new $500 billion AI movement in America, launched by the White House. Now, with DIY AI, you'll reach out faster and further, engaging more people more deeply, more often. With AI-powered storytelling, outreach, and course creation, you're going to save time, make more money, and tap into that. As I mentioned, think about that. $500 billion. This is an AI boom sweeping across America from the Oval Office. Now, right now, I'm on my iPhone. I'm recording this audio just to show you, you don't have to create some fancy video. I'm actually recording this right on my phone. Now, I will add a visual to it so that it becomes a video for a trailer. But I just want you to know, you don't even have to be on camera. I love simplifying things, and I love demonstrating how easy this can be for anybody at any age. I'm the dean, so I'm a little older than a lot of people, but I network with 40-year-olds, and they love treating me like I'm 40 because they know I'm very engaged and very involved in AI. So like I say, you don't need fancy videos. You just need human engagement, storytelling, invitations to networking events, and learning about multimedia integration, which is what I love about the Great Discovery. Now, in this course, you're going to learn an entire buffet of media marketing options that I've been studying for over 40 years since I started at NBC TV and radio in New York. And I've created about 40 years of success. So I want to show you and tell you exactly how to simplify everything, like this trailer. You'll learn how to create your own, and you can learn with podcast listening on the go and master AI audibles and AI chalk talk on whatever you want to learn, whenever you want to learn it. We designed this to be total freedom for you and for each of us, my wife and I. You're in the right place if you want to use ChatGPT for LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, podcasting, emailing, you name it, and we'll help you with it. Plus, we're going to bring in absolute world-class coaching, including insights from my friend, who's one of the world's foremost business strategists from Oxford University in England. And here's the best part. You can learn it while you're busy doing other things that you absolutely love. You can learn it just by listening to podcasts. So I hope you'll join us, and I look forward to talking to you soon.